How to hide or unhide your gender on REDnote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide or unhide your gender on the REDnote app. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And in your profile page, you can see the option labeled profile. Simply tap on that. And once you are there, you will see the option labeled gender. Simply tap on that. And from here, you can choose to hide or unhide your gender by simply toggling on that show gender option. And that's how you can hide or unhide your gender on REDnote. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.